Higher geography lithosphere, the formation of waterfalls. Waterfalls are normally found in the upper and middle courses of a river system. Rocks are critical to the formation of most waterfalls. They occur when harder rocks overlay softer rocks. An example of a hard rock is basalt. An example of a soft rock is sandstone. Waterfalls form in the following ways. The water runs over the hard and soft rock. The soft rock is easily eroded, but the hard rock is more resistant. So over time a ledge develops. The water continues to flow over the ledge, and over time it erodes a plunge pool, primarily by the processes of hydraulic action and abrasion. Eventually, the ledge becomes too heavy to support and it collapses into the plunge pool. The debris helps speed up the process of erosion. This process is repeated for many years, and gradually the waterfall retreats upstream, carving out a gorge. A good example of a waterfall is the River Tees in the northeast of England. In an examination, it is important that you can draw 2 or 3 diagrams to help illustrate the process of waterfall formation.